Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I just want to do a quick market update. I know people are probably freaking out a little bit because Bitcoin actually dropped down to about 44.8 this morning. And I want to give you guys a quick little reminder about why the Crypto Wizard is such a great platform to be involved in if you're serious about crypto. So if you haven't already, please hit like, hit subscribe, hit the little bell, and don't forget I'm giving away 1,000 XRP once we hit 1,000 followers. So let's do it. All right, let's get into it. I don't want to make this a long video. I just kind of want to give a brief overview of what we're expecting to happen, and just like a quick little market update for everybody. Because when this kind of stuff happens, I know everybody kind of freaks out. Personally, I'm excited for the massacre to happen. I'm going to be able to accumulate a bunch more coins, and really, like exponentially increase my wealth, hopefully, over the next couple of years. So let's look at what happened, just real quick. A couple of days ago, Bitcoin went to about 40, dropped to about 46, recovered, and just last night to this morning went from 58,000 tapped 44,000. So $14,000 drop in just a few hours, like half a day. So pretty significant. But what it really means when we're talking about the massacre that Crypto Wizard talks about, and I'm a firm believer in and have just been waiting for, is what a Bitcoin correction is going to do to the altcoin market. So when you're looking at altcoin prices, the US dollar value is derived from the altcoin to BTC or Satoshi value. So even if if BTC is going up, the US dollar value of an alt might also be going up, but its Satoshi value might not really be going up, might be stagnant or even dropping, just because of its value compared to Bitcoin's price at the time. And what that means is if they're going like this, or in like the Satoshi value is like down and this keeps going up, that separation when Bitcoin drops causes the altcoin to drop exponentially more. So where Bitcoin during the massacre might lose 30%, 40%, you might see like 50, 60, 70% losses in altcoins. And so this is why, as the market's been going higher and higher, I've been selling my altcoins. And one thing that the Crypto Wizard talks about doing all the time is laddering. So let's say you put $1,000 into an alt and it doubles. You have a couple options. So you can, when it doubles, you can take out half. So you have your initial investment back for capital for future buys. And then if it doubles again, take 25% or take half, or just set price points. So every time it's going up, you're taking fractions of more profit. And what this allows you to do is we don't know when the massacre is going to happen. So I did sell some alts too early. I'll get into one of them here in just a minute, but until we know what's going to happen, preserve the capital that you can. Like if you buy into an alt and it doubles, it might be a good idea to take half, and then you're zero risk from then on. And then you can kind of ladder some profits and increase your capital for when the massacre does happen. And I'll tell you right now that this wasn't it. This isn't the massacre that we've been talking about and waiting for and that Crypto Wizard preaches about. It is going to be much, much worse than this. So let's get into like XRP right now. I think XRP to BTC is down. So you can see like that drop, its Satoshi value dropped pretty significantly. But XRP already had a pretty significant drop just from that the SEC news that came out. So its Satoshi value already kind of had a correction. So it actually might not be impacted as much as other alts when the massacre does happen. Doesn't mean it's not going to be affected. I'm not saying that. But I have like some XRP set aside that I'm going to ladder and sell off certain price points ahead of the massacre. And then when the massacre does happen, hopefully just off those coins, I'll be able to double or maybe triple my holdings just from that these little, buying at the top or selling at the top and buying low. So that's my plan for when the massacre happens. Like here's a really good example for me personally that I sold too early. I got super excited about the massacre and I didn't want to like miss out. So I bought VET at 0.004, so like 4/10 of a cent. Sold the majority of it at 2 cents, which was still a decent profit, but that was way back like here. Look at all the profit that I missed out on by doing that. I missed out on thousands of dollars just because I didn't ladder correctly. So don't make the same mistakes I did. If you're still in a lot of these coins, just make sure you're laddering, doing it correctly, and just preparing for this massacre. It's going to happen. Bitcoin is going to have a big correction. Alts are going to suffer. If you want to be prepared, hit me up. I'll leave a link to my Instagram in the comments or in the description. So hit me up on there. If you have any questions about the Crypto Wizard, I'm always available. Just reach out. I'll try to get you a discount code as well. I've been talking to them on there a little bit. And it does cost money, but I've not talked to anybody that I've got to sign up that regrets spending the $500 or whatever it is when they sign up. Just my XRP hodl that I've got, I bought it, I think, 26 cents. Even after this correction from Bitcoin today, I'm still up like 100%, just about 100%. And just that, like, more than paid for the cost of membership for this. So everything you get out of it, if you only did it for 2 years, and like prepared for the massacre, the altcoin guide, don't even do day trading. If you don't want to do day trading, just do the hodls. You'll make more money off these hodl calls than you will anything else. So I'm a big believer. I can't wait for the massacre. Everyone's going to be screaming and crying about it, and I'm just sitting here. I got all my cash set aside to buy at the bottom. So I'm honestly excited for it. Can't wait for it to happen. And I've been telling people about it, and they give me crap saying it's not, that Bitcoin can only go up. But as we proved today, Bitcoin can drop significantly, and it will bring the alts with it. So leave a comment below. What do you think is going to happen? What do you think it'll get to before the massacre? And what do you think it'll end up at afterwards? How big of a drop do you think we're going to see? Personally, I think we'll see under 30. I don't know if it'll go under 20 again, but I do think we'll see under 30. And I'm going to buy all the alts that I can at that when it gets there at the bottom. So hit subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that like button. I really appreciate it. Tell your friends. Share the video. As soon as we get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm giving away 1,000 XRP, no matter what the price is at. Whether it's 25 cents or $3, someone's getting 1,000 XRP. So like, comment, share, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.